What's going on, guys? Back with another Integra video, and today we'll be talking about the future plans of this car. People are kind of asking me, what is my goal with the Integra? What is the end result with the Integra? Well, the end result is gonna be a fun, all-motor, non-turbo street car with a reliable engine that's not this B series that has already gone out, and also just have a really nice, clean-looking JDM Integra. That's it. I've ordered some seats. I've ordered the seat brackets. I've ordered a steering wheel. I've ordered all sorts of stuff. I've even ordered a rear diffuser that was 3 months ago. It still isn't here. So please just ship my diffuser. But a few days back, I just did the hood vents on my Mustang into carbon fiber. I know I've been having this crazy kind of carbon fiber streak lately, but it's like such a simple thing to do, and it's a ton of fun to do. And I was looking online and I found these out of sheer coincidence as I was looking at motor parts. Here are some 100% carbon fiber side skirts. And these are basically OEM molds of the Integra side skirt. Now, what's so awesome is I found these for basically a fifth of the price they were originally. These go for like $400, but I found them on eBay for $110, so I couldn't resist doing more carbon. I also have some Cybon stuff I can install on the back of the bumper, but I'm probably gonna do that the same day I do the rear diffuser, hopefully whenever that comes. I just thought I'd let the world know that if you got an Integra and you wanna make your car look really nice really quickly, this is a great way to do it. But I want to get down to brass tacks and say, I am going to be collaborating with Hybrid Racing. Hybrid Racing, unbelievable, cool company, and we're gonna be working together in the coming month of June. And what are we gonna do out there? We're gonna pull out my B series and put in something way better, straight out of Japan. Are we kind of reinventing the wheel with this future engine swap? No. But are we gonna do it the right way? Yes. Are we going to do it in a way that is satisfying and great and comes with a limited slip differential? Yes, that's what we're gonna do. The plan is have an amazing mountain car with never having to worry about the turbo issues, boost leaks, tuning, fuel delivery. All of that is solved when you just do an all motor setup. So that's why I'm gonna do that. This is gonna be the car that I will never be afraid to turn on, if that makes sense. But this thing is gonna handle like a monster with everything we've done to it so far. But I figured we could just chill, have a conversation, and put on these side skirts while we do it. The good thing about today's install is that we don't need a ton of ground clearance to do it. It's mostly screws and push pins. And I've not even found any directions online how to do it, and it's seriously very self-explanatory, which is what I like. But we're one step closer to completing the circle of the Integra as we did the Cybon front lip last time. Are these hard installs like I said in the Mustang video? No, but anybody can do it, and that's why I want to show you how to do it. There's also an extremely convenient jack point on the back of the Integra, as you see here. Just make sure to use 2 jack stands under your control arms and you are good to go. So we're gonna remove the factory side skirt and then put on this one. All right, gotta get down on the garage floor as always. Nothing's ever easy, y'all. Okay, this is a push pin so old that it's just stuck in there. I'm gonna have to force it out somehow. I got it, but I hurt my finger. Side note, I hurt this finger in 1st grade. I almost got it, well, graphically cut off by a school door. I had to get it stitched all the way around, so I have nerve damage in this finger, so that did not feel good. This channel should be called David Gets Hurt While Working on Cars. Normally, you would do this part first. I did it backwards, just like I did my hood vents by accident. The best thing to do would be to turn your steering wheel this way to get access to the 2 self-tapping screws right here. Very easy, but I don't got no steering wheel because the interior is all ripped out still before I reinstall everything at once. That's why I ordered the seats and etc. and the steering wheel. I'm just gonna put in the entire interior at once, starting with the dash, which we flocked, which is super cool. Okay, so I'm literally taking a little extension for a screwdriver that you can put a Phillips head on and making it happen, in case you're in my situation, which you're probably not. Would have been a lot easier had I just taken the wheel off, huh? Guys, the reason I'm not editing all this stupidity out is that I make mistakes and you make mistakes, and now you can learn from my mistakes not to do all these in order. So if you're going to do cosmetic stuff, do that last. I got a dead card here, and you know, I was bored. I'm able to get these out. It's not easy. Here we go. It's just getting it loose. That's the tough part. All right, here we go. Okay, next step, essentially you take this and apparently you just push forward. So let's see how that goes for me. Take this. Oh, there we, oh my God, look at that. That is not good for my allergies. Okay, well, now I know how all this works. So that's cool. Look at all the dust from when we painted the car back last year. Insane how it got in there. All right, here are the side skirts in comparison. The OEM one is on the left and the new one is on the right. All right guys, just to show how dirty this sucker is, I'm gonna be using my own Patterson Car Care bug and tar remover. You can also use my degreaser quick detailer. Thank you to everybody who has tried a Patterson Car Care so far. Just figured this is a good opportunity to deal with something that's been under the car for years. This side skirt has obviously never been taken off, so this will be the true test of the bug and tar remover. So I'm gonna let it sit for a few seconds, but we actually used this stuff on my buddy Morgan's Focus ST that was pretty much unsavable due to his motor kind of exploded and there was oil and tar and everything on the back of his car, and nobody else's product worked, to be honest with you. And bug and tar, degreaser, and quick detailer got it all off. So yes, shameless self promo, but the stuff works, I promise. All right, now for the real hard side. This is the bad side. So the real challenge will be getting all this stuff out, so let's see how the bug and tar remover goes after this as well. All right, that's everything. Ruined the microfiber, but it was worth it. Oh wow, lots of goop and tar in here. Now we got our pretty side skirt, no cleaning required. So I'm guessing it's just the reverse order. I go like this. I don't like that sound. Okay, now it is to my understanding, I take the old side skirt, I place the carbon fiber on top for it to rest on, that way we have good fitment to go on. Because I was mistaken. Oh wait, don't be a jerk. Well guys, I figured out why they were so cheap on eBay now. Because essentially you mock up using the factory side skirt, and then you install the carbon fiber side skirt onto the OEM one. Therefore, it basically uses the clips of the OEM one in order to clamp onto the car. I actually tried unsuccessfully to put the side skirt by itself on the car, but then I realized it did not have the proper clip points that the OEM one does. So that's where we're at. There's always a bright side, there's always a silver lining. Is it exactly what I wanted? No. But for future reference, I'll now know when to look at things more closely, I guess? I don't know. It's still gonna look nice. Let's try this again. And one of them clipped. The rest did not. Yeah, that looks way more like it's supposed to be. All right, you guys, and there we have it. We have our carbon fiber side skirt installed. I went ahead and did the other side since I already got the other process down. I just did it off camera really quick, but here you see, looks really good with the slide-on front lip, and now it's not so imbalanced anymore up front. Now on the side, it all seems to make sense. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys next time. Take it easy. Have a wonderful day.